If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Amazon Prime Video account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website or open the app and log in using your email address and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, hover over or click on Account and list at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select your account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access security settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Login and Security option. Click on it to view your current security settings, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your registered phone number or email. Once verified, select the option to disable or reset two-factor authentication. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to set it up again, including entering a new phone number or using an authentication app, if desired. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Amazon Prime Video. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for further assistance.